Get glowing skin in seconds. Explore natural skin whitening remedies like coffee, pumpkin, turmeric, potato, and more in my video. Learn how these ingredients work wonders for achieving a radiant complexion. Discover easy DIY methods for glowing skin. Uncover budget-friendly skin whitening facial secrets using everyday kitchen ingredients. Learn how to effortlessly achieve a radiant complexion. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on skincare and beauty. Now, let's delve into one of the most effective methods for achieving skin whitening naturally. Coffee face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon finely ground coffee with 2 tablespoons pumpkin puree and 3 tablespoons raw honey. Apply the mixture to clean face and neck, massaging gently for exfoliation. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off. Coffee's antioxidant properties reduce melanin production, while pumpkin enzymes promote cell regeneration for glowing skin. Turmeric and cumin mask. Mix finely ground turmeric and cumin in a 3:1 ratio with a few drops of honey to form a paste. Apply the paste to the face, leave it to dry, and then wipe off with warm water. Rich in vitamin E, cumin helps treat acne, pimples, and skin disorders, promoting brighter, glowing skin. Potato skin whitening. Grate the potato and extract the juice from it. Add 3 tablespoons of potato juice with 2 tablespoons of honey. Gently apply the mixture on your face and neck. Wash your face after 10 minutes to get a glowing complexion. Repeat this process daily for several weeks to see noticeable results. You may gently rub potato slices on affected areas for a few minutes. Allow potato juice to dry on skin for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Potatoes nourish and brighten skin, reducing blemishes and promoting a glowing complexion. Rice flour face mask. Mix 2 tablespoons rice flour, 2 tablespoons gram flour, 3 teaspoons honey, and rose water to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to face and neck, leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Rice flour brightens skin complexion, fights acne, regulates sebum production, and nourishes the skin. Yogurt and lemon mask. Mix 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Apply the mixture evenly onto the face, avoiding the eye area, and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes until dry. Dampen the face with water and rinse off. Yogurt and lemon brighten dark areas, tighten pores, regulate oil production, and leave skin with a matte finish. Turmeric and tomato face mask. Take 1 ripe tomato and blend it into a pulp. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the tomato pulp and mix well until you have a consistent paste. Apply the mixture evenly onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Let the face pack sit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries. Once the pack has dried, dampen your face with water and rinse off. Turmeric and tomato work together to reduce blemishes, even out skin tone, and provide a natural glow. The mask helps in achieving fairer and even-toned skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.